So it's been a while. I actually haven't checked how long it's been, let me see. Oh, it's taken so long that I now know how to play piano. That's pretty cool. Right. Anyways, I've been making this other game for over a year now, and I've decided, so I don't go insane for working on it, I'm gonna do a epic new game. So I've been playing this game called Totally Accurate Battle Simulator since they made the first play testing of the game, which was like 10 years ago. I've seen all these tower defense games on the site, and it's getting a little repetitive, I think. So using my high intellect, I say to combine these two ideas to create a battle thing. It's 4 in the morning right now, but I just finished the complex part of the code. So if you go here, I've got my unit types. And if you open this up, it shows the stats, the traits, the AI type, all that stuff, and the abilities. Obviously the default unit doesn't have any abilities, so I just commented it out. So if I want to create any new characters, I can just simply put them here. And then when this placement handler is called on the server side, it will spawn in the unit with the model and the base data, which is the unit type data. And then it also registers it, and we also can put it in the unit registry, which will be useful for the future. Okay, so now if you look over here, we've got a tab that we click on, and it shows the units. And then if we click on one of these, it puts them in our inventory. Gets a max of 9, and it says unit limit reached. Anyways, go here, and click on units. Select them, all that stuff. Very nice. So I've made a camera controller. If I hold the middle mouse button, I can like pan about, stuff like that. You can scroll in and out. There is a limit to how far you can scroll in. And you can move around with WASD, so it's alright. It's definitely a camera system. Oh yeah, also, if you click on one of these and select them, now there is a box that shows where you can place them. Let's see if I place this guy, hover over him, can't place him, place him here. And also you can just like hold it down. Okay, so to give characters AI, I've got to make states that I can put the characters into. So like a walking to state, a attacking state. If they want to use an ability, you'll be in the attacking state. Just some interactions to make the game better. Yes! Yes! Should be pretty easy. I'll get back to you in maybe a day or two.
3 days later.
Okay, that was a lot harder than I thought. But we now have the ability to have enemies attacking each other. Look at that. Well, they don't do anything. They kind of just aura farm in front of each other. Mostly because I can't be bothered making the animations right now, so for now we just get this. Which I think is pretty cool.
What did you do? I didn't do anything. I'm a humanoid. I'm an AI. I'm not like, what the fuck?
So basically I've got a problem where, say if I want to have 100 units on either side, the game runs into some problems. I think it's because for every character, it's using a while loop to go through every unit on the enemy team to find the closest one to that unit. And as the number of enemies increase, the unit needs to check more and more enemies to find the closest one. And if you get every unit trying to find the closest enemy to itself, it can get a bit overwhelming. So I was doing a little Googling and I found a tactic called spatial partitioning, where you basically split the play area into a bunch of tiles. Tiles track what units are in itself, so when the unit wants to find the enemy, it looks to the closest tile containing units instead, which makes it way faster for pathfinding a lot of units. Now all we have to do is simply replace the current
1 eternity later.
Well, I did it. I don't even feel happy. I don't feel any joy in what I just did. It's really late. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm back from sleeping, so as you can see, it works pretty well. Problem is, the other parts of my shitty code is bottlenecking the entire performance of the game, so there's still more to tweak before I can have, say, 200 units either side, but I'll leave it for now and I'll do something a bit more fun. So I made very creative unit rarity types, as you can see. I like how Battle Cats does their evolutions where you have to level up the unit to get to its next stage instead of just rolling and hoping. But I also like money, so here's my plan. Units can be obtained through rolling, but not all units can be rolled. So most of the higher tier units will need to be obtained exclusively through evolving and combining lower units. I constructed this abomination that has every evolution tree. So yeah, there's a lot that you can do with evolutions, but it means even if you have grey units, it's still a good idea to use them and level them up, just in case you need them for evolutions in the future. Makes it more interesting, I think. I don't know, I'm not a game designer, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm trying to make it so you always have something you can be working towards, not just getting coins and more rolls, so I can hopefully get that one unit I want. To add to it, I'll give each unit a small stat change and give it a star rating or something. I'll see. I've got some secret ideas that'll make it a lot more enjoyable, so don't worry. I got my master plan in my head. Before this video ends, I wanted to see how my system handles abilities, so I made a ground slam. If I put it in the abilities folder, it should be as simple as just telling the unit type that it can use it. For now, I gave it a percentage chance to use the ability when it's available to just add some randomness, but soon I'll change it to a weight table so it's more manageable. Weight tables are going to be important when it comes to AI decision making in the future, so that's why I'm doing that. What's cool about this system is I can just hot swap abilities to other characters in like 2 seconds. Let's see what happens if I give all the regular units the ground slam ability. So that's what I made for the game so far. Honestly, I spent more time working on this video than working on the game, which I think is a good thing. I don't know. I think this is the most effort put into a video. This video isn't monetized, but what you can do, you can go to Google and use my code, £10 off your order. That's right, 10 whole pounds off your order, and then I also get £10 off my order. So if you want to give me free food, go ahead and use that code. Go ahead and so yeah, anyways, got some bugs to fix and some cool things to add. Let me know if you have any unit ideas, evolutions and things. I do look at every single comment because I got literally nothing better to do, so yeah, make sure you do that. And yeah, see ya.